Hello all dear friends, and welcome to my cabin! Alright, so we got the cabin going. I'm up here at the top of the hill. You don't see a Jeep because the Jeep is dead, but the cabin is very much alive. It's ready for the Airbnb tour. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Let's go check it out before the first guests arrive and wreck the place. Let's go! All right, so a few things on the outside. You notice we got a little retaining wall. We got some gravel. Although it looks nice and smooth, it's absolutely terrifying. It's pretty steep. It just takes a little bit of skill. Actually, not too bad. That's a two-wheel drive van loaded down. So here we go. Here's the tour. So we got the retaining wall here. We got nice smooth gravel. We got wreath on the front door. Family was here. We were getting everything ready, doing a first practice run. Hello, family! Hello, hello family! Hello! All right, inside we go. Smart lock for the win. Here we go. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So we got our Christmas decor up, keeping it a little bit festive. We got the wreath, crackling fire here as well. Look at the ambiance of this living room. You guys remember what it looked like before? Terrible, absolutely terrible. Artwork on the wall. Treat your family to a Pisgah National, let me see if I can read for a second. Treat your family to a Pisgah, North Carolina road trip in Pisgah Forest. Here we go, kitchen. Look at those countertops. Look at those cabinets. Look at that stainless steel appliance. And over here on the buffet, we have not one, but two accoutrements. All right, into the master bedroom here. Remember this place? This was pretty rough before. More posters. I really like tying everything together with some art that kind of, everything's a little different, but it's all the same artist. The bathroom, looking good, looking good. The ceiling is not falling down. We're actually going to replace that tongue and groove. The whole ceiling's not terrible. It's just in that one spot, so I figured that'd be better than drywalling over the whole thing. The drywall exists. So here we go. So master bedroom, king bed, obviously. Get your bed frames on Amazon. They're not expensive. It's great, and you don't need a box spring. So here we go. Here, smell that. Cinnamon. All right. Continuing on. Here we go. Queen bedroom. This bedroom was a little bit smaller, but Blue Ridge Parkway, we're not too far. So some things I like to do when I'm in the Airbnb, besides close the blinds if you're changing. A little chair, extra throw pillow. It's a nice little touch. Again here, bathroom as before. Here's the bathroom. It looks the same as the others. LVP flooring, folks. Do it. All right, moving on. Lights out. Save energy, folks. Up the stairs. This is where it gets fun. To the bedrooms upstairs. Here we go. So we had a lot more room than we thought. We got twin beds. I think we're going to upgrade to queen. But for now, we got a ton of extra space. So we got the bed here. Look at... Let me get the lighting right. So we got the rocking chair. We got the pull-out love seat. That's a full-size mattress right there for extra seating. And look at that view, folks. Look at that view. Focus. Focus. Wow. Look at those mountains. They call them the Blue Ridge because the ridges are blue. Here we go. More art. The mountains are calling. And I must go. All right, let's look in here. Similar layout, mirror image. This room's a little bit bigger. Not a whole lot bigger. More accoutrement. We got the chair there. Nice place to hang out. Another gorgeous view. Boom. Look at that. And it's not even springtime. Obligatory bear art. You gotta have the bear art, folks. And the bathroom. Remember this one? That light right there, we're gonna put in something a little bit more rustic. We got a nice light fixture there. Original toilet, 1987 vintage. It's all original, folks. All original. So that's the cabin tour. let's go take a look at the outside, and then we're gonna get out of here and go to the playground in the neighborhood. That's what this is all about, playing with the family. So we got our deck here. Remember those X's on the railing? Look at this now. We got cattle panel all the way around so kids can't fall out. Bear-proof trash box. There you go. I call that bear-proof. Okay, walking around the deck. Look at all that seating. And look at the gorgeous view. Once more, just love the mountains. Doesn't get much better than that. And we got some deer that live down here, so we like to watch the deer in the morning. Very nice. Well, folks, what do you think about my Airbnb? Have I decorated it well? Do you think people will book? Do you think I'll get some guests, or is this one just a dud? Leave me a comment below. If you think it sucks, leave a comment below. Let me know. What's your favorite coffee? What should I stock the kitchen with? Leave it in the comment. I don't care what you say, just leave a comment. It's super helpful. Hit the like button. That's also super helpful. Oh, and one last thing. If you want to check this out, airbnb.com/h/Wolf Cottage. That's where you can find us. Go check it out. Thanks for watching.